Let's start today's interesting questions and answers. Question number 1. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Options are A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Horse, D. Whale. Right answer is option B. Giraffe. Do you know? A giraffe needs high pressure to pump blood up its long neck to the brain. Next question. Which planet has the most volcanoes? Options are A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Earth, D. Jupiter. Right answer is option B. Venus. Do you know Venus has over 1600 major volcanoes, more than any other planet? Next question. Which animal has square shaped poop? Options are A. Kangaroo, B. Wombat, C. Koala, D. Camel. Right answer is option B. Wombat. Do you know the wombat produces cube-shaped droppings to stop them from rolling away? Next question. Which country has the most islands in the world? Options are A. Greece, B. Sweden, C. Indonesia, D. Philippines. Right answer is option B. Sweden. Do you know Sweden has over 2,67,000 islands, though only about 1,000 are inhabited? Next question. Which bird can fly at speeds over 300 km per hour? Options are A. Eagle, B. Peregrine falcon, C. Swift, D. Vulture. Right answer is option B. Peregrine falcon. Do you know the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal when performing its hunting drive? Next question. Which animal is known to never die of old age? Options are A. Tortoise, B. Jellyfish, C. Lobster, D. Shark. Right answer is option B. Jellyfish. Do you know the Turritopsis jellyfish can hit the reset button and turn back into a baby? Next question. Which planet is known as the gas giant? Options are A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Mercury, D. Venus. Right answer is option B. Jupiter. Do you know Jupiter is made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas rather than solid rock? Next question. Which is the only animal that cannot jump? Options are A. Hippo, B. Elephant, C. Rhino, D. Giraffe. Right answer is option B. Elephant. Do you know an elephant is the only mammal that physically cannot lift all 4 feet at once? Next question. Which country is the world's largest producer of bananas? Options are A. Brazil, B. India, C. Ecuador, D. China. Right answer is option B. India. Do you know India produces over 30 million tons of bananas every single year? Next question. Which animal has a tongue longer than its body? Options are A. Snake, B. Chameleon, C. Frog, D. Anteater. Right answer is option B. Chameleon. Do you know a chameleon can launch its tongue at high speed to catch insects far away? Next question. Which is the world's smallest bird? Options are A. Sparrow, B. Robin, C. B. Hummingbird, D. Parrot. Right answer is option C. B. Hummingbird. Do you know The bee hummingbird is only about 2 inches long and weighs less than a coin. Next question. Which ocean is the home to the Great Barrier Reef? Options are A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Right answer is option B. Pacific Ocean. Do you know the Pacific Ocean contains this massive reef which is visible from space? Next question. Which animal uses its ears to cool its body? Options are A. Rabbit, B. African elephant, C. Fox, D. Kangaroo. Right answer is option B. African elephant. Do you know an African elephant flaps its large ears to release heat from its blood vessels? Next question. Which is the only fruit named after a bird? Options are A. Kiwi, B. Dragon fruit, C. Star fruit, D. Lychee. Right answer is option A. Kiwi. Do you know the kiwi fruit was named after the fuzzy brown keybird of New Zealand? Next question. Which animal can see through its eyelids? Options are A. Snake, B. Owl, C. Shark, D. Crocodile. Right answer is option A. Snake. Do you know a snake has clear scales over its eyes? Instead of moving eyelids,